Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the device supports casting or the Dstv app. That's essential. Once done, make sure both your phone and decoder or Dstv stream are on the same Wi-Fi network too, 4 or 5 GHz, because the devices discover each other that way. Next, install and open the Dstv app and sign in with your active account. This authenticates your phone so the decoder accepts control and casting commands from your device. You now perform the pairing and casting actions. Open the Dstv app and tap the connect or casting icon. The app lists available decoders and streamers. When your decoder shows a PIN on TV, enter that PIN on your phone to complete pairing. This step links the two devices securely. If the app cannot cast a specific screen, use your phone's cast or AirPlay mirroring to display the entire phone screen, so you still watch content through the TV. To finish, start playback in the Dstv app and choose Play on TV or select the paired decoder. The stream should switch to your television. If video or audio are out of sync, try pausing and resuming, or restart the app and toggle Wi-Fi on both phone and decoder to refresh the connection. If problems persist, power cycle the decoder and your router, then repeat the pairing process. That clears most network and device handshake failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.